Everybody, Strummin Steve here with a real rocker today. Doobie Brothers, Long Train Runnin'. We used to play this one back in our original band in the 70s. Fun song to play, got to number 8 on the Billboard. He said that Tom Johnston wrote it. He said the tune developed from just an ad-lib jam session that the Doobies often had, playing these chords, and they finally wrote some words to it. So it goes like this. From here, see a long train running out, watch them disappear without love. Where would you be now? Without love. You know I saw Miss Lucy down along the tracks, where she lost her home and her family, and she never coming back without love. Where would you be now, 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 without love? Got the Illinois Central and the Southern Central freight. Gotta keep on pushing, mama, no, they're running late without love. Where would you be now without love? Well, the piston keep on turning and the wheels go round and round. Gonna see them long train running now, watch them coming down without love. Where would you be now, 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 without love? Well, the Illinois Central and the Southern Central freight, you gotta keep on pushing, mama, no, they're running late without love. Where would you be now, 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 without love? Where would you be now? Yeah, fun song, eh? Fun song to play. Good chords, not many of them, but put together well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know. Please subscribe if you'd like to, and have a lovely day.